Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Global version, 2024. It's sleek, it's smart, and it might just be the best budget fitness tracker of the year. Let's get into it. First off, the design. The Smart Band 9 comes in a stylish midnight black color and feels incredibly lightweight on the wrist. It features a 1.62-inch AMOLED display that's bright, colorful, and super responsive. Whether you're indoors or outside under direct sunlight, this screen holds up beautifully. Now let's talk features. The Band 9 comes with Bluetooth 5.4, giving you smooth and stable connectivity with your smartphone. You can receive call and app notifications, control your music, check the weather, and even set alarms, all from your wrist. One of the biggest highlights is the fitness tracking. With over 150 workout modes, this smart band can track almost any activity you can think of: running, swimming, cycling, yoga, and so much more. And since it's 50-meter water resistant, you don't have to worry about sweat, rain, or even a swim session. When it comes to battery life, this thing really impresses. It's powered by a 233 mAh battery, and Xiaomi claims it can last up to 21 days on a single charge with normal use. Even with heavy use, you're looking at about 14 days, which is seriously good. So what are the pros and cons? The pros: a beautiful AMOLED display, exceptional battery life, tons of workout modes, water resistance, and a comfortable fit. The cons: no built-in GPS and limited third-party app support. But considering the price, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 offers incredible value. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just someone looking for a smart companion on your wrist, this band is a solid pick. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What feature do you look for most in a smart band? See you in the next one.